Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change an Audi A5 remote battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin, and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. This common battery type is widely available. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient, ensuring your remote is back in action quickly. Let's get started with opening the key fob. Now let's open the key fob. Look for the small release button on the side of your remote. Press this button and gently pull out the emergency key blade. With the key blade removed, you'll see a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or coin into this slot and twist it gently. This action will help separate the two halves of the key fob casing, revealing the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Using your small flathead screwdriver, carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery. Be gentle to avoid damaging the contacts. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should click securely into place. Finally, let's reassemble and test your remote. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Next, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into position. Now, it's time to test your remote. Try locking and unlocking your Audi A5 to confirm the new battery is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.